everyone, ELYVIRA'S here. I hope everybody's having a blessed Saturday. I thought we'd make some chicken salad, but it's a different kind of chicken salad. And we're going to use some chopped walnuts. We're going to chop them up, 1/4 cup, 1 apple, 3 hard-boiled eggs, 3 pieces of fresh mint, 5 pieces of cilantro, 3 pieces of fresh parsley, 3 celery ribs, and some chicken breast, of course, our main thing. And it's yummy, and we're going to use Miracle Whip, and it's real easy to make. I just take a chicken breast, I cut it, chop, anyway, I just cook it. Sometimes I just put, like, seasoned salt and pepper on it. Other times I, just whatever season you like. Today I put seasoned salt and pepper and Worcestershire. That's it. Baked it in water. Hope everybody's staying safe. I have been cleaning, bedding all day, and I did my exercise. I got one more time on my exercise bike. It's not really an exercise bike, it's a stair stepper. I paid like $100 for it at Kohl's. And I use it now. I haven't used it, but I use it now since with everything that's going on. And I got my exercises for the week. I'm very blessed with my trainers, and I have to check in, let them know. I'm losing weight. So everything's going good for me. I hope everything's going good for you too. We have to stay positive and keep God and the angels in our life to get us through this mess. So. This is a yummy one. I had it once. I made it for my dinner party. It was a hit. I used to be in this dinner club, and every weekend we'd all have to come up with our own recipes, and you had people over for dinner, and it was fun. And you had to, then if some weekends, if somebody was like really busy with work, they would get takeout. And to us, that was a treat if we could do takeout. Like if you worked really long hours all week, and sometimes I did for my job, and we'd get takeout, and it was always, it was like, yes. And it was like funny because I was never heavy, and then when I started gaining the weight, I just seen some friends the other day, and they're like, we haven't seen you this size since 2012, so it was a blessing, and it was really nice. It was a nice compliment. Then yesterday, I had to go check on my lake house, and I had to squeeze through somewhere, and somebody's like, you know what, squeeze through there. And I was like, yeah, I'm skinny enough now. Try to make sure I don't cut my hands. And I put this with crackers. I put it on rye bread. I've put it on whole wheat bread. Just depends on what you want to put it with. You can do a lot of things with it. And it's really easy to make. I mean, everything I had in my refrigerator, in my freezer. And I'll eat this all week. I always eat it all week for my lunch. And we have that soup I made the other day. I still some leftover vegetable soup. And I had some of my cabbage soup today. Oh, that tasted so good. I've been cleaning, budding today and doing just a little bit of cleaning and exercising because I have exercise I have to do. I didn't do my exercises for Monday. I just did my stair steppers. So I have to do that again tonight yet. And this is like really healthy, and you can make this for lunch for the kids or yourself, and it's nice because you're eating healthy, and I don't have anything processed in here. And one chicken breast does really work. I'm gonna taste it. It's good. Man, those allergies are acting up. Hold up. Allergies, whoop. My allergies act up this time of the year and it's awful. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. But you're not gonna use a lot of seasoning. There's not a whole bunch of seasonings to this. See what it looks like. And you're just gonna use a teaspoon of seasoned salt to start because you're gonna season to taste. And I'm out. See? Pepper, teaspoon to taste. And then a tablespoon of lemon juice because the lemon juice helps keep the apple and stuff from turning. Okay. Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip Light, Hungarian paprika, one, two, three, we'll use four. Should do it. Ah. Makes one, it'll make 1/4 cup servings, about 6 of them. Some pepper. One more tablespoon of this, and we got it. Taste it. And then I just put it in a bowl, like this. All right, here we go. All right, I garnish it. Like that. Put it in the refrigerator. Now let's see what our calorie count is. So, let's go see what our calorie count is. And it's gonna be yummy. So we had 5 tablespoons. Miracle Whip Light. Total calories here. Yep. Divided by 6. Okay, so 6 calories, 6 servings, it's 137 calories. Can't beat that. 1/4 cup serving. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I hope everybody enjoyed this because it's simple and easy. And with everybody being home right now, simple recipe. God bless everybody. Stay tuned. I'll see you in a bit. 137 calories for 1/4 cup serving. Love you all. Bye.